Morning, YouTubies. How's it going? All right, this morning I'm going to have some leftovers Colton Steakhouse leftovers. Sorry, I'm like really tired. I can't really think. So I got barbecue ribs. I got part of a sirloin steak, mashed potatoes, and some rice. So yeah. It's cloudy and yucky today. So it's like, it's good nap weather. Let's put it that way. This is going to get messy. Those ribs, oh my gosh, those ribs are going to get so messy. I got the steak. It was actually, I got steak and shrimp. But I went ahead and ate the shrimp boil at the restaurant. Because usually, for me, it seems like usually if I reheat shrimp, it gets kind of rubbery and not as good. So, steak I figure would be good next day. Sorry, how y'all doing? Good, I hope. I'll be doing better once I get a nap. Let's put it that way. I think I should have brought a plate and a steak knife. Oh, tastes good. Our plan last night was to go to the steakhouse and then go from there to see the Bob Marley movie. But because of Anthony having blood pressure issues, that didn't happen. So we just enjoyed our dinner and went home. Figure on a different day we'd have a movie night. So definitely should have brought a steak knife. I've got a little knife, but I don't think it's plastic. You know, it's a little plasticware. Don't think it'll really do the job. It might. I don't think so. I might have to saw forever. Yeah, it actually might. It's getting it. Didn't actually think it would. Well, okay, so yeah, worked after all. Um, sorry, I want to make sure I got that chewed up really good so I didn't choke on it. That'd be scary. Like every once in a while lately, I've been having. I try to chew up my food really well, but every once in a while, my throat feels like it's like narrower than other times or something. I don't know what the deal is. And it feels like food wants to get stuck down there. Just scary. I grew up with my dad choking literally at every single freaking meal as a teenager. Oh my God, that was traumatic. I don't want to go through it myself. Like, I don't know what causes his throat to close up. It still closes up every once in a while, and he has to go in and have surgery to have it, what they call it, dilated, so that it opens up his esophagus a little bit bigger. I'm hoping I never have to do that. But he blames it on when he worked for the city years and years ago when I was a kid, that they had chemicals that they had to spray, and that's what caused his throat to do that. I don't think it was that, but that's what his story is. So, but yeah, my throat's been doing it occasionally. And there's one time, probably about a year ago, I literally started choking while at the Mexican restaurant because I had some shredded chicken. We had what do you call it? Nacho Supremes. Had chicken, beef, and vegetarian, I think, over on the side. Well, I ate some of the chicken part of it, and it shredded. I thought I'd cut it up enough and small enough, but it got stuck there, and I started choking right there in public. Luckily, nobody see me. Other than Anthony, of course. I tried to, how do you say it? Hide it, because I didn't want everybody to see me, and I didn't want to make a spectacle of myself. But yeah, that was scary. Hope I never go through that again. Okay. Let's tackle this ribs. This is going to get all messy. Oh. Trying to cut the ribs. I have to cut through the styrofoam of the container. Like, good job, Vic. Well, God. This is going to drive me nuts because I don't like having messy stuff on my hands. Let alone my face. Okay, here we go. Not quite as messy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to get like all over me. Because all that barbecue sauce being on top. A little bit meatier of ribs than I've seen at some restaurants. Some restaurants is like barely have anything on them. Maybe it's the type of ribs. Some of them might be pork ribs or something. I don't know. Oh, I seen something so sad yesterday. It literally put me on the verge of tears. I'm a bleeding heart when it comes to animals. Because I love animals so much. Way more than most humans. Oh. But, was driving down the road yesterday, and I seen this little, like you say, one-horse trailer. There was a cow in it. And as we was passing by it, I noticed it was a black cow. And as we was passing by, I noticed she was leaning down on her front hooves. She had her front hooves like curled up under her or whatever. Oh, she had the saddest looking face, and she actually had tears in her eyes. Like, oh, I don't know where she's going to. I don't know if she's going to be butchered or what the deal was, but it's like, almost put me in tears just thinking about it. Sorry, hang on. Can't help it. Like I said, I love animals. Yeah, it's the look on her face, and her and I locked eyes. I know it's part of life, but it still sucks. As I'm eating one of her relatives. I still feel bad for them, though. Because it's like they know when they're going to some place. When they know something bad is going to happen. These are good, but they're better. Definitely better last night when they were fresher. And the plan was we was going to have dinner and go over and see the Bob Marley movie. Because I thought that'd be a pretty good movie. We have a little B&B theater here in Sedalia. I think there's one in Clinton, too. Sedalia, Missouri, and Clinton, Missouri. And I love their theaters because they have recliners. They don't have the movie theater seats that you normally think of. They have recliners. So it's so much more comfortable to watch a movie. Take a blanket and snuggle and watch a movie. It's been a couple of years since we've actually gone to see a movie because of, the COVID and everything. The theater was closed up for a while. I don't know exactly why. I don't know if it's because of COVID or lack of workers, or I have no idea. But they're open up again. It's like, yay! Anthony and I, we've been wanting to get out and do something, but it's so hard because of how his blood pressure just drops at the drop of a hat. So it's hard to do anything. And definitely because of him having to have dialysis 3 days a week, it's hard to plan anything if we wanted to go out of town or a little vacation or anything. So, I got the sirloin steak and shrimp last night. Had like, I can't remember, 6 or 8 shrimps. I think it was 6. I think it was 6 because I was kind of wishing it had more shrimps, but it worked. I got full as it was, so. And Anthony got the ribs and fries and mashed potatoes. That was his 2 sides that he chose. I got sirloin steak, shrimp, fries, and okra. Fries and okra is my sides. I love okra. I don't get to get it very often because some places I used to get it at, like Walmart and Country Mart, they don't have it anymore. I just go in and get a little bowl of it. rice on there. I didn't realize that. Oh well. Alright. I think I've had enough for the moment. This way I can save some for Anthony. Kind of not real hungry. I ate some breakfast before I left the house, so I'm not real hungry. But I would at least eat a little bit of this. Anyhow, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. I don't know if Colton's Steakhouse is everywhere. I know it's in Sedalia, and I found out just yesterday it's in Warrensburg, I think. So I don't know if it's any place else. So if you've been to Colton Steakhouse, let me know what you think. The other people that around us that got their meals last night, everything looked good. I mean, I was surprised at how everything looked so delicious. And it tasted good. It just, we got full. So, he can't eat as much as he used to. He gets so full. And I definitely can't, so. But we enjoyed it. And that's part of the reason we picked the items that we picked. Items that would be good even later. May not be as good because they're not as fresh. You know, when they're hot and fresh and when they first come out of the oven or whatever. But still, as opposed to, he started to get the catfish and ribs, but he started to just get the ribs and the sides. I'm surprised he didn't get that because he loves catfish. And he could have ate the catfish while at the restaurant and then saved the ribs for later, but he switched it up on me, so it's like, okay. So, but yeah, usually it seemed like fish and shrimp and stuff like that. We eat that kind of stuff while in the restaurant because oftentimes it's not as good once we get it home and reheat it. So, but anywho, I'm rambling. I'm sleepy. I need a nap. I'll catch you guys again later. Bye-bye.